Hi, this is Paul with MadCap Software. Here's what's new in Mimic 7. The first thing you'll notice in Mimic 7 is that it has a brand new look. Ribbons have been added at the top of the workspace. These ribbons are designed to help you find features quicker and more easily, with large buttons and text to guide you. Ribbon options are organized into sections. These shrink along with the application when it's resized. You can minimize the ribbons, which hides them until you hover over them again. One of the greatest benefits of the ribbon view is that you can use a quick access toolbar at the very top of the application window. This is a customizable toolbar, letting you add the options that you use most frequently. That way you can always get to them quickly without having to open a particular ribbon. What if you want to continue using the traditional menu and toolbar view from the previous versions of Mimic? No problem. You can use the Options dialog to switch views. You can also use the Options dialog to choose different color themes for the interface. Another noteworthy change to the user interface is that you can choose how to organize stacked window panes and editors. You can use standard tabs on top, standard tabs on the bottom, or accordion tabs. Also, you can now drag and float groups of window panes as well as individual window panes. It's all been redesigned to make things easier for you and to give you the flexibility to design your own workspace. Another change to the interface is that there are now drop-down menus on the Build, View, and Publish buttons. These options can be found on the Movie ribbon and the Collection ribbon. The addition of these drop-downs also means that it is no longer mandatory to select an output type in the Movie Properties dialog or Collection editor. Now there are two main reasons for selecting an output type in those locations. First, it allows you to edit the settings for a specific output type. For example, you can't specify the flash options until you select the flash output type. And second, it sets the default output type, which will be used if you click the face of the Build, View, or Publish button, rather than selecting it from the drop-down. In other words, it's a way to create a shortcut. So if you want to build, view, or publish your default output type, just click the face of the button. But if you want to work with a different output type, you can quickly choose it from the drop-down menu. Perhaps the most exciting change in this version of Mimic is the introduction of a new output type called HTML5. This is an output that is viewed on a browser. Unlike other output types, HTML5 not only works on the browser on your computer, but also on mobile devices such as the iPad and iPhone. There are different video formats that work with HTML5 movie output. Two of the most popular are WebM and H.264, or MPEG-4. That's what you can use in Mimic. In the Movie Properties dialog or Collection editor, you can select HTML5, click HTML5 Options, and choose one or both formats. WebM works on Firefox, Chrome, and Opera browsers. H.264 MPEG-4 works on Internet Explorer and Safari browsers. I recommend selecting both when you generate your output in order to reach as many people as possible. For more information about these and other new features in Mimic 7, please see the online help. And please let us know if there are particular features that you'd like to see in future versions of Mimic. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.